My name is Honorable Zadna Dantini, the chairmanship candidate of the People Democratic Party PDP in Abuja Municipal Area Council for FCT Area Council election coming up on the 21st February 2026. And by the grace of God, I am, just as I've said, I am the candidate of the upcoming election in the People's Democratic Party, but I want to sincerely appreciate everyone who supported us around. And by the grace of God, we are doing it not because of our personal interests. And I'm standing to tell my people in Abuja Municipal Area Council that as a candidate who was standing for this election, have today agreed, based on the intervention of the Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Ngbeke, as a man, as our leader in the party and the leader in FCT, he have also called my attention to let us know that this is an election that is the election that we are aid to, we are not for war. And this is a brotherhood election. And including my stakeholders, I have consulted widely. And by the grace of God, we have agreed that this election, we are no longer going to contest with our brother, Honorable Christopher Mgbeke. And I so do so. By doing so, I also submitted my letter today to the Independent Electoral Commission. By the grace of God, this is the letter, and we are not standing any longer for this election. Thank you very much. And by the grace of God, I am calling across all the 12 political wards in Abuja Municipal Area Council to come out en masse, and support the candidate of Honorable Christopher Mgbeke, who is standing for this election in the APC, coming 21st Saturday 2026. Doing this not only because of anything, but in support of the good work for Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency President Tinubu Ahmed.